Hey everyone, today we're talking about the 5 best GoPros for kids and families. GoPros are fantastic cameras for capturing family moments and adventures, and they are designed to be durable and easy to use. Let's dive into the list and see what makes each one special. GoPro HERO9 Black. The HERO9 Black is the latest and greatest GoPro on the market, and it has a lot to offer. It features a 5K camera, a front-facing display, and built-in mounting. Additionally, the Hyper-Smooth 3.0 stabilization feature makes it easy to capture smooth footage, no matter what you're doing. The only downside is that it's the most expensive GoPro on the list. GoPro HERO8 Black. The HERO8 Black is another great option, and it's a little more affordable than the HERO9 Black. It has a 4K camera, built-in mounting, and Hyper-Smooth 2.0 stabilization. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of accessories and mods, so you can customize it to your needs. GoPro HERO7 White. The HERO7 White is a budget-friendly option that still has a lot to offer. It has a 1080p camera, built-in mounting, and a touchscreen display. It also has Hyper-Smooth stabilization, although it's not as advanced as the HERO8 or HERO9. The HERO4 Session is an older model, but it's still a great choice for kids and families. It's small and lightweight, making it easy to carry around, and it has a 1080p camera and built-in mounting that doesn't have any stabilization features, so the footage may be a little shaky. GoPro HERO Plus Wi-Fi enabled. The HERO Plus is another budget-friendly option that's perfect for kids and families. It has a 1080p camera, built-in Wi-Fi, and a touchscreen display. It also has basic stabilization features, although they're not as advanced as the HERO8 or HERO9. So there you have it, the 5 best GoPros for kids and families. Each one has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Thank you. I hope you find this review